What's going on? Welcome back to another Tech Tuesday video. If this is the first time you're tuning in, thank you for clicking on the channel. I hope you're going to enjoy the content today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this and leave your comments down below. So in today's video I am taking a look at the Belkin Boost Charge magnetic wireless car charger. I've reviewed a couple of these already. I've done a previous one from Belkin, I've done a Satechi wireless MagSafe charger, and today I'm taking a look at the new Belkin wireless MagSafe charger. So in today's video I'm going to be taking a look at the design, the features, the pros and the cons of this product. So the first thing I want to mention is that this version of this MagSafe product from Belkin is very different to the previous two it's released. This is generation 3. The first one I have actually already done a review for, and I've been using that product constantly in the car since it came out, which was around about the time of the iPhone 12. So it's been over a year now, say about a year and a half. This third version of the product has got wireless charging included in it, whereas the first version did not, where it was just a holder for the phone. So let's talk about the design of this. It's very minimalistic. It's got this absolutely small, sleek looking design to it. There's no complications about it. And this version comes in black, whereas the first version was like a silver grey. The second version was more so grey, and now this is just all black. And I think it looks lovely. It really does look so nice. Looking at the overall design of this, it has got such a small footprint compared to the first generation device. If you don't want the device to take up too much space on your dashboard, being a vent mount, then I think this is going to be perfect for you compared to the first generation. Now with the design, it's had a major change compared to the first two versions. Back of the first version, for example, had everything enclosed like in a rotating ball joint. This version is pretty much similar to every other vent mount that I've seen out there, which I don't really personally like. Okay, so let's look at the features of the product. The main standout feature, it's MagSafe. You're buying it because it's a MagSafe holder, and for that purpose it is fantastic. The magnets are strong, they work, they do its purpose, they haven't failed. Another feature of the MagSafe charger is the fact that it charges your phone at the same time rather than just being a MagSafe holder. It charges through USB-C. Wireless charging itself, that charges your phone up to a maximum of 10 watts, although that might vary on the phone or the device that you are charging. So let's talk about the pros of this MagSafe charger. The first one being is that the MagSafe bond that it has with your iPhone is so strong you don't have to worry about it falling off, and the one-handed operation of taking it on and off when you need to is just amazing, especially in those tricky situations when you're getting in and out of the car. I know with me especially, you've always got something to carry, or you've got kids in the back, then yeah, it really does work out, especially when you're in a hurry. Another pro that I see of this is that it's got a super clean look and feel to it. It's got a nice texture on it. It feels quite strong and sturdy, maybe not as much as version 1, but enough that you know that it's gonna do a good job. And another pro that I see is that it does wirelessly charge your phone. It's not just a holder, so you can connect it by USB-C, have your phone charging at the same time as being on your vent. In my case, I use Apple CarPlay, so the phone is always plugged in by USB cable anyway, so I won't be personally using that, but maybe you will. And either way, for the fact that it includes wireless charging, I give that a thumbs up. Now looking at the cons of the device, it is the design. Now the back of it, as I mentioned, it is different to version 1, and those ones can be very temperamental and fragile, like the same problem I had with the Satechi one. Upon disassembling it, it did actually break. So that's just a word of warning. If you do buy it, do be very careful when installing it, and if you ever do decide to take it off. And the last con is that this device is something that I should explain, that it's not MagSafe certified. The version 1 from Belkin was MagSafe certified. This one is MagSafe compatible, so there is a difference. The main thing being is that with that charging, So you'll notice with a MagSafe certified device, when you attach a wireless charger, you will actually get the MagSafe animation coming up on your iPhone screen. If you don't have a MagSafe certified device, if it's MagSafe compatible as this one is, it will just come up with a charging indicator, you know, the square battery indicator at the top. It won't come up with the full circle MagSafe attachment. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head down to the car and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like attached on my dashboard, how it looks, and just attach the phone and give you a quick comparison between version 1 and version 3. There's a lot of background noise, all I can hear is my children screaming right now, so let's head outside and I'll give you a better view. Okay, so I'm in the car and I thought I'd just show you what the setup looks like, and I'm not gonna lie, it looks awesome. It looks really good. I think the main thing is because it's like all black, it looks really nice and it blends in to the dash and the interior and the design of the car. It looks nice. Well done, Belkin, because that's good. I like this. This looks nice. So this is it. That's the Belkin, the MagSafe holder. I've got my phone here, so let me just show you how well it sticks. Now, bearing in mind I have got a MagSafe case on the phone, but here we go. Now that's it. It's just on there. It's done. One hand on, one hand off. Perfect. So let's go ahead and let's see, does it wirelessly charge? And it does. Now, one thing, there is no animation. Okay, there is no animation on the MagSafe charging. Okay, so you've got a comparison here between the two. This is the first version, which was MagSafe certified. This is the third version actually, which is MagSafe compatible but not certified. Okay, so my final thoughts and my personal verdict on this one. I think it's fantastic. I love this one. This is a keeper. This is definitely a keeper. And yeah, if you're into wirelessly charging your phone, maybe not even using Apple CarPlay, this is perfect. It's got such a small footprint. It just perfectly fits on my obscurely weird shaped dashboard as well, and it takes up less space. Wirelessly charges if I wanted to, although I'm going to be using Apple CarPlay. Blends in, looks good, practical. This is a keeper. I am liking this one, and yeah, I'm freezing cold now. So I am going to be heading back in, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends and family. Let anybody know who's looking for a MagSafe holder if they want to get one. I will leave all links down below. They are affiliated, so it does help out the channel if you use those links, and it's also much appreciated. Thank you very, very much for watching, and I will see you in the next Tech Tuesday.
Get a new car?
No, just doing a video of the car.